Hello, my name is Michael Herf with Arizona Roofers, here conducting a repair test for Manuel Lopez. We are his chosen contractor for the job. We'll be removing this wind damage shingle right here, obvious wind damage, and replacing it with this architectural. We don't have 3-tab that'll match because these are discontinued, so that alone is an automatic fail. But I will conduct the repair test as required. So here we go. All right, shingles installed. There was damage here, lifting the shingle up, creasing along there, along here, actually along the majority of them here, here, and here, and major granule loss. So with that, I would say this is, I'll show you a little closer. But you got creasing here, 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 and here from me installing those nails, and here as well, and major granule loss. So with that, I would say this is a failed repair test, because if you try to repair any other areas of the roof, you will damage the shingles around it. And then on top of that, this is a 3-tab discontinued shingle. You can't find them, so automatic fail right there. But all right, that is all. Thank you for your time.